That's our close program of supporting Aussie farmers. What we're doing now, we're just configuring the airplane to make our approach. We're just about to reduce speed. We'll be taking our first selection of flap very, very shortly, reducing our speed. We'll end up taking down our flaps to position flap 40, putting our landing gear down and coming in to make our approach. So I might leave you now to concentrate on flying the airplane, and I'll have a chat to you when we get on the ground with some more information about today.
Also going to Drought 8. Absolutely marvellous. These people will be guests of the air show today, and they'll be returning to Sydney on this flight a little later this afternoon. So Captain Mike Galvin sitting on the flight deck, about to touch down on now. Mike, back to you for your message.
Thanks very much for having us on the air here at Avalon, and I can't tell you how thrilled, privileged and excited I and all of our crew who have volunteered our time today. Can you believe it's 50 years ago this very month since the very first Boeing 747 flight took place in Seattle? This variant of the Boeing 747, the 747-400 aircraft, is approaching 30 years in service itself. Many of you will remember in August 1989 the inaugural flight from London to Sydney. 20 hours and 9 minutes that flight was, setting a new world record of the time. This aircraft, Oscar Echo Bravo, you know, this airplane, ladies and gentlemen, can carry 516 passengers. Today, we're only carrying 150 very enthusiastic aviation supporters who are lucky enough to be on this flight, being looked after like silkworms by our volunteer staff and crew.